Sunday morning, and I'm over here at the Home Depot. Gonna pick up some supplies. I need to make a rollaway nest box so that I can take the coop that the egg layers are currently using to give the egg layer hatchlings a safe place to be. That way they can get used to, laying in nesting boxes and all that wonderful stuff. I'm going to bring you along with me, so enjoy the journey. Alright, what I'm going to attempt to do today is make some rollaway nesting boxes. This should be fun. Stick around, see how it's done. You can make it as big or as small as you want. Alright, let's put the bottom on. There's the bottom. I left this open on this side. At the back of the egg catch. Now let's do the sides and the egg catch. Sides and the egg catch are done. Let's put the rollaway ramp on. Installed. It's on top of the board here. Come on, but move. Come on, but move. I don't want to crush you. Move. Move. And where I left the bottom open here, I allowed the other end to slide down here, which should give it a good angle. Alright, let's put it on the top. Is on. Fairly simple, easy to do. Now I'm going to work on the lid and the back. it is. And this will be on the outside of the coop, so I don't have to go inside the run in order to fetch the eggs. Alright, now that it's built, I need to move this coop out of the way and put their rollaway nest box pretty much where their nest box was. I'll attach it here. I have to remove this bit of fencing and re-fence it around the new nesting box. Walmart, see if I can find some discount fabric to put in front of the rollaway nest box to give them some privacy. Alright, let's see what they got in here. $1 a yard. It's not bad. It's nice and thick. Yeah. Getting that.
Sorry for waiting. Have a nice day, okay? Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
While I'm out of town, I figure I might as well drop into the Dollar Tree and see if they have any front door mats that I can possibly use to cover the bottom of the rollaway nesting box. Alright, let's see what they got. It'd be cool if they had something with a chicken on it. I'm thinking this one. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the black. It's only $1. fabric attached and cut. Got the mat inside. Egg rolls down. It's cushioned by the part of the mat that I have running up the back of the egg catch. Now, if your chickens eat eggs and stuff like that, you may want to make your catch longer. All I'm trying to do is get clean eggs. And there she is, rollaway nest box. Hopefully they start using it. I want to thank you for watching. Ask that you subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, hit that bell. That way you'll be notified when I put out new videos.